Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will get into another reaction video kasi hindi pa ako naka-move on talaga sa SB19 Dam. Naka-move on na ba ang lahat? Ang tanong ng bayan at ang tanong ng buong bansa, naka-move on na ba ang lahat for today's video? Kasi ako hindi pa. The whole production itself, tapos gumawa ako kanina ng reaction video sa gawa ni P-Pop Insider. Dear, Pinoy pala lahat, pati sa production, Pinoy pala talaga lahat. Nakaka-proud mo. Nakaka-proud lang talaga. So, if once again, let's all watch this. Dam Dance Challenge. Ay, si Stella. Hala, si Justin, hindi na talaga siya baby. Ay, bongga. Pak, ganon. Si Pabi, oh. Pinaka-favorite ko yan. Gusto ko makita si Josh na gumaganon. Gusto ko makita si Josh. Isa pa. Gusto ko makita si Josh na gumaganon. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Yes, I love it.
Dahil nga, di ba,
Ay, ito may interview.
yung concept and all that. Paano niya nire-reflect or paano siya nakakapagbigay ng meaning sa generation nyo?
Ako siguro with this current generation, I think before naman, medieval times, very prominent, I guess, very, ano yung war eh. Lagi siyang nangyayari.
Pinag-react
It's
ng prominent.
inevitable na magkaroon ng war. But with this generation kasi, parang mas naging naging woke yung mga, naging lamay, naging burol, naging wake. But with this generation, sobrang naging woke lahat ng tao. So I guess, kahit nasabihin nating mababaw siya or malalim, it's a battle eh. Every day is a battle with everyone.
I couldn't
So I
agree
guess
more.
hindi man siya very physical yung war or yung pinagdadaanan ng isang tao. But I think kung paano nangyayari yung war before, I think meron tayo nun deep inside us na hindi lang nakikita ng tao, but I guess everyone
Gwapo ni
is
Stel.
living with
Bagay kay
his
Stel
or
yung book
her
niya.
own war. Kaya
Talino.
yung feeling ko
The substance,
relatable
I
in
love
this
that.
generation. Kasi super daming issues ang kailangang itackle. But
True.
may war din inside us na, is it
True.
okay na i-voice out ko to or hindi? Is it something na kailangan ko bang i-share or hindi? So parang I think yun yung kumukonect nun. And lalo na yung wake.
Dahil nga, di ba, medieval yung concept and all.
Medieval.
Paano niya nire-reflect?
Okay.
Or kung meron
Ay, si
isang
Papi.
kulay kayong i-associate sa dam, anong kulay iyon? At bakit?
Ako black.
Black. Black. Ako din black.
Kasi pag pinaghalo-halo mo yung mga lahat
Or
ng
gold.
kulay, black yung kalalabasan. Pero may nakikita kasi ako meme na kung si Dam, itim na bahay, si Mana nagiging parang Barbie house. So technically ganun siya katindi, ka-dark or kalakas. I don't know.
Sure, I couldn't agree. Ako gold or black? Nude.
Kasi nanood daw siya kanina ng
Nanood. Nanood na siya kanina.
Ako,
Kasi nanood na siya kanina. Putik? Pwede gray.
Putik kasi
Gray.
brown, dirt.
Dirt, brown. Oo. Ibang putik sa akin.
Darker color. Basta putik. Color of...
Gwapo naman.
Nandun din ako sa parang color palette na ganun eh. Medyo dark. So, dark blue.
Dark blue.
Ano. Or eto gray, ganito. Parang medyo nandun lang sa darker.
White. White? Ako white lang. Kasi parang everything naman, kasi pagka dun sa music video, sobrang dami nangyayari. But I think lang, na-feel ko, but with everything that's happening on that world, feeling ko sa sobrang daming gulo, ang tanging nasa isip mo lang, gusto mo lang
Ay, ito. My God. Ang ganda ng kanilang choreo, no? Ang ganda ng pagkaka-prolong niya dahil sinustay nila. Ang angst. Saan nila ito nilabas? May full version ba nito? May full version ba nito? Or this is behind the scene? Ay, spacecraft. May full version ba nito? Please comment down below. Ay, ito. May nag-dance challenge na. Tingnan natin to. Parang ang hirap ng choreo, no? Tapos sabay-sabay dapat kayo. Parang ang hirap naman yun. Parang ako yung nahihirapan. Well, baka hindi lang kasi ako dancer. Ganon. Anyways. As a Rappler.
SB19 drops its latest single Damn on Friday, February 28.
Yes. They ate and left no crumbs talaga. Pagdating sa dam, grabe, ibang-iba. Ibang-iba ang dam. Ibang-iba.
In an interview with Rappler, SB19 member Stel says the song reflects how today's generation...
Parang gusto kong gawa yung Rappler na interview.
With this generation, sobrang naging woke lahat ng tao. So I guess, kahit na
Pa-woke
sabihin
talaga.
natin mababaw siya or malalim, it's a battle eh. I think meron tayo ng
Ang talino ni Stel.
hindi lang nakikita ng tao, but I guess everyone is living with his or her own war.
True.
The group members share they brainstormed the concept for the music video and agreed on an epic or medieval theme. The new track is part of the group's much-anticipated EP, Simula at Wakas. which
Simula
will be
at Wakas.
released on April 25.
Kailan sila nga magsasahodi? Nakalimutan ko.
Installment of the EP trilogy following Pagsibol in 2021 and Pagtatag in 2023. Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justin are slated to hold a concert at the Philippine Arena in Bulacan on May 31.
Ang naunang mag-release si Julian San Jose, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways. Ay. What was that? Ang ganda ng kanilang execution talaga. Vocals. Ang ganda ng vocals. And they sustain that. They sustain that part. What kind of black magic is this? True. Ganda, no? Ganda, goosebumps talaga. Anong pakiramdam? Ang galing nila, ang galing mag-isip ng ano? What do you call this? Ang galing mag-isip kung paano maging catchy. Ay, hello. So, yes, borto-borto talaga siya. Ay, si Jillian Ward pala ito. Anyways, there you go guys. That is all for today's video. Our SB19 Dam compilation, should I say. Kasi hindi pa tayo naka-move on for today's video. Pero meron pang isa. Ano to? What is this? Ah, here's the Ghost ng Dance Challenge part. Ah, okay. Dance Challenge pala siya. Silang tatlo. Napanood na natin to. This is KG Flags and see you on my next vlog. Bye!